my sweet pea, my buttercream, my pumpkin pie, my everything. Let me tell you a funny joke just to make you laugh. That old guy you had in your past, those hips smooth like you love Shakira. Where's your mama? I'd love to meet her. See exactly who gave you all that you got, showed you all you've been taught.
Qué bonita eres tú.
Hermosa con tanta ofrecer, comerte como fresa, tengo tanto hambre. A beauty who's got so much to offer, eat you like a strawberry. Hungry girl, I'm starving. If you make me a father, I must be bad at math, cause I don't see no problem, that shit don't sound too bad. The heaven in your eyes, but staring at your lips. Hope you're in the corny guys walking hip to hip and strolling down the beach with toes in the sand, reclining wooden seats and speaking with the jams and mixing up a drink, martini in our hands. Say we in over our heads, they don't understand. You make my day shine, the sun give us a tan. My little strip of bacon, my eggs and ham, my pancake, you're my breakfast plan. I love some whipped cream and your cherry on top.
Qué bonita eres tú.
It's hard to figure out if this is just another man who'll leave you impatient. If he'll be more than happy to fuck before y'all even start dating. No brushing teeth together, only wants you for vacation. You won't never buy a car unless you test drive it first, I'm just saying. If you like what you see, and guarantee so do other fish who out in the sea. No rush, but listen to your heart and dance to that beat. Whether it flutters or it skips or it doubles in pace, I'll be able to read that page from that smile on your face.
Qué bonita
Eres tú.